Hello everyone, it's Damon presenting you the company IT Corporate Solutions. So basically, the objective of this presentation is why you should choose us. So basically, first of all, we are around the world. Even though we have small offices, we are in the whole world. I mean, we have offices in Europe, South and North America, Asia, and in the Middle East. Also, our products are top of the line because we can compete with the best products that is in the market. So we are product of CRM, ERP, data mining, digital dashboard, data warehouse, OLAP, cloud collaboration, and supply chain software. And also, um, thanks to a merge that we did in Europe, the company now owns a subsidiary that developed an LMS and creates e-learning courses. And also another thing that makes the difference between us and the rest of the company is that we are adaptable to any company because we offers obviously the usual consulting, installation, deployment, but the IT services, um, making the customers they need to, I mean, supply the needs of the customer. And also we have a highly qualified programmers to make the necessary adaptations to for the integration of our customers. So basically, right now we are trying to penetrate the domestic market. We have been barely successful on that. So that's why a little bit presentation about us, why you should choose us, and I hope that you enjoyed the presentation. If you have any question, you can go to our on the Google web, put the IT corporate solution, then you are gonna see the contact data to contact us there, then you are gonna find our email to contact us. So finally, what are you waiting for?